Hi, I want to explain how you can use indefinite article in German language. But we should know how and in which situation we can use indefinite article. At first, I should answer this question. When a noun is told for the first time in explanation or in a story, it is introduced with indefinite article. Okay, just look. Ich sehe, also eine Frau. Ich sehe eine Frau. I see a woman. Or isst einen Apfel. He eat an apple. Okay, in this case, you don't know exactly who she is. Accordingly, indefinite article is used when a person or a thing is unknown or undefined, exactly like these sentences. And the last point, the indefinite article is omitted in plural. Okay, what I mean? I will say, ich sehe Männer. Also, ich sehe Männer. Männer is plural form from man, for a man. And we shouldn't use indefinite article in plural form. Thanks for watching and supporting our team.